Hey friends, if you wish to insert a text box in Google Docs, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now, before anything else, a lot of users will ask why would we need to insert a text box inside Google Docs? Because whenever you write anything on Google Docs, that has a certain orientation, but a text box can be placed wherever you want it to. And to do that, click on Insert, then select Drawing, and then click on New and wait for it to load. Then click on the text box symbol here and then select a place where you want the text box, write whatever you want to and hit enter. So this is how you can insert a text box. See, it is kind of an image, and you can easily expand it and shorten it or change the location and all. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.